Ever accidentally deleted something in Canva and thought it was gone forever? Let's dive into how you can easily find and restore your deleted designs and elements, ensuring you never lose your hard work again. First, log into your Canva account. Notice I'm on the home page. Begin by clicking on the Projects tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all of your designs are stored. Look on the left side again. You will see various folders. Scroll down until you see the Trash folder, usually near the bottom of the list. This is where your deleted designs go. Click on it. Now inside the Trash folder, you will view thumbnails of your deleted designs. Here, you can see all of your previously deleted work. If you deleted something by accident, this is where you want to be. To restore a design, simply click on the three dots located on the thumbnail of the design you want to recover. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Restore. The design will now be restored to your Projects folder, ready for you to edit and use. Now, what about elements? Let's say you deleted a shape or image within a design. To recover individual elements, like text boxes or pictures, it gets a bit trickier, but it's still possible. Open the design where the element was deleted. Look for the file located in the top left corner. When you select the file, a drop-down menu appears. Select Version History. The Version History panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Canva automatically saves versions of your design. Browse through the different versions listed to find the one before you deleted the element. When you find the version where the element is still present, click on it to revert to that version. This is a lifesaver and keeps you from having to start over on any design. And there you have it. You can always restore anything in Canva. Now go forth and design without the fear of losing your creations.